Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to create this with After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and this is beta version of After Effects. Let's go to 3D shape layers, hold this icon and choose sphere tool. Let's hold shift and create one sphere. Enclosation tool, and for work fast we can click this draft 3D button. Okay, in this time go to properties and let's add material. Go to click default and we can see material list here. Let me show how to add material. Go to layer, material, and get substance community assets. Let's click here, and now we can use these materials for inside After Effects. Let's search here moon and enter. Okay, this version is better. Let's click for get this material in our computer. And here we go. This is SPSAR file. Let's import this file into After Effects. Okay, here we go. This is my material. And choose this sphere. Go to again materials. Let's click and we can see moon material file. Let's choose. Okay, that's good. But we can see something new here. This is displacement option. And go to intensity. We can place settings for use this displacement. This is perfect feature for create better textures. Okay, let's back to timeline and create new solid layer. Add name background. Okay, move to behind of 3D layer and go to FS Preset, search effect gradient ramp and choose gradient ramp, use for background and start color. Let's choose blue and dark blue. Also end color, let's use eyedropper. Choose this color and open, change to little bit to light. Okay, let's change this more dark. Okay, in this time, let's click swap colors and ramp shape. Choose here radial ramp. Okay, and in this time let's create new solid layer, add name stars and move to behind of 3D shape layer, search effect CC star bust and choose star bust use for stars. And for change these stars colors, let's choose this solid layer, hold Ctrl Shift and Y in keyboard and change color white. Okay, and now let's change size like this and let's see. Okay, this varies speedily. And go to speed, let's write here 0.01 and enter. Let's see. Okay, perfect. And also fizz, let's change fizz like this. And scatter. And shading. Also size, let's change size. And grid spacing. Let's write 2 or 3. Okay, in this time, select this 3D model and go to textures. Let's change scale like this. Okay, not bad. And also can use texture offset for rotate texture. Okay, this is enough. And choose this 3D model. Let's press S, change scale and move to down for create cinematic scene. And let's change intensity like this. Also this texture. Okay, choose this sphere and press R. Go to first second, create X rotation keyframe. Go to 10 second and change rotation like this. Okay, and for fix this problem, just change X rotation. Let's see. Okay. So let's add lighting. Right click, new and light. I will use environment light and cast shadows. Click OK. And go to project. Let's import environment image for HRI lighting. Right click, import and file. I will use Blender textures. Let's open Blender, Blender 4, data files, studio light, world, and let's choose country art. import. Let's drag and drop into composition and height. Go to lighting, choose the XR image, and let's open light transform, change transform like this. Okay, nice. And let's play some settings. Okay, not bad. So in this time, let's go to FX Processor's effect, black and white, and let's create first adjustment layer, move up, and use black and white for adjustment layer, and select these background layers, right click, let's pre-compose, and okay. Okay, perfect. So now we have cinematic moon animation with just 5 clicks. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like video, leave comments, and have a good days. Good luck.